Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Next Speak. In this short episode, we are going to talk about one simple daily English habit. It is a habit that helps you speak more easily and more naturally. This is not a lesson you need to study. This is a habit you can enjoy. You can listen while you relax. You can listen while you walk. You can listen while you repeat. If English sometimes feels heavy or stressful, this episode is for you. We will slow things down. We will keep things simple. All right, let's begin with a simple idea. Many people practice English every day, but many people still do not speak English easily. This is confusing. If daily practice is important, why does it not work for everyone? The answer is simple. Most daily English practice does not look like English. Many learners practice English in small pieces. They learn new words today, new grammar tomorrow, and they listen to a video the next day. These activities are not wrong, but they are not connected. Real English practice is not separate. In real life, listening, speaking, and thinking happen together. When practice is separate, the brain cannot build fluency. Another problem is change. Many learners change their study materials all the time. They change topics every week. They try new methods again and again. This feels interesting, but the brain needs repetition. When you hear the same words and sounds many times, your brain relaxes. It starts to understand faster. It starts to speak faster. Fluency comes from familiarity. There is also a quiet problem many people do not talk about. Many learners practice English to prepare for the future. They say, one day I will speak. They say, I need more practice first. But speaking does not come later. Speaking must start now. Even simple speaking is real speaking. You do not need perfect sentences. You do not need advanced words. You only need to use English in a small daily way. The daily English fluency habit that works is not difficult. It is not stressful. It does not need many materials. It uses one short piece of English. It uses repetition and it uses your voice. Okay, now let me explain the daily English fluency habit that actually works. This habit is simple. You listen to a short piece of English, you listen to it every day, and you speak with it the same audio, the same voice, the same topic. 5 minutes is enough. It should be easy English. You should understand most of it. This is really important. If the audio is too hard, you will feel tired. The best level is when you understand about 70 to 80%. You listen first and you do not speak. You just listen and relax. You listen again. This time you read the text if you have to. You notice how the sentences sound. You notice the rhythm. Then you listen again and speak at the same time you speak with the speaker. You do not stop. You do not worry about mistakes. This is called shadowing, which we have talked about many times. The most important rule is repetition. You use the same audio for several days, maybe 5 days, maybe 7 days. Every day the audio feels easier. It feels boring, but that's okay. But every day you also feel more confident. This is how fluency grows. You're not learning new information. You are building a speaking habit. Many learners think progress means new content, but fluency comes from repeating the same content until it feels natural. You can do this habit anywhere. You do not need a teacher. You do not need to write. You only need your voice, and 15 minutes a day is enough. Now, the most important part of any habit is not starting. The most important part is continuing. Many people start English practice with energy, with enthusiasm. They feel excited for a few days, then life becomes busy and the habit disappears. The daily fluency habit works because it is small. The first rule is time. Choose one time of day and keep it. It can be morning, it can be evening. The time does not matter. What matters is that your brain expects English at that time. When English has a place in your day, it feels normal. It does not feel like extra work. You do not need perfect English. You need English that moves easily. If you do this habit every day for 1 month, you will feel the difference. This is not magic. It is training, simple training, and daily training. If you want, listen to this episode again tomorrow. Speak with it. This is how English becomes part of your life, not a subject you study. Thank you for listening to another episode of Next Speak. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Oh, and if you're looking to start an even easier daily habit, hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons takes exactly 2 seconds, and you don't even have to practice it out loud. Bye for now.